Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
How you doing? My name's Bobby Mendez. This is my 1968 Chevy Camaro SS. It has a small block Chevy 383 stroker motor along with a 400 transmission and a 12-bolt 410 rear end gear.
Cool, cool. How long have you had the car?
I've had the car for 4 years now.
Neat.
It was a full process to get it where it is today. This is original paint from 1990 when the car was resprayed. It's painted Porsche red. One of my good friends, Vinny, was able to track the car down for me. Cool. And that's how I was able and fortunate enough to get my hands on it. And special shout out to Mario and Vinny from Mario's Auto Repair for helping me put the car together to where it is today.
There you go, there you go. Now, were you specifically looking for this type of car?
Yes, I was specifically looking for a Camaro SS vinyl top. A few years back I saw one and it slipped away from me. I wasn't able to purchase it. So then when this one came up, I knew I had to have it.
There you go, there you go. That is very, very cool. And what's the color of the paint again?
I believe it's from 1990. It's by Porsche. It's like a red. I think it's called Carrera. So it's still old lacquer paint on it that just has been wet sanded and buffed to bring it back to shine.
And then what kind of wax do you use?
I use the Mother's polish along with the Mother's quick spray wax. So we could get the car where it was as far as wet sanding and buffing. Special shout out to Elite Detailing for doing all the major, to get the car as far as many imperfections to get it to where it needed to be.
Sure.
So yeah, Roman, a special shout out to him as well too.
There you go. Cool.
So yeah, there were a lot of hands involved with this vehicle, and a special thanks to my family as well for the support for backing me to get this car accomplished to where it needs to be.
What kind of tires and rims are we looking at?
We're looking at Nitto NT 555s. It's a 275 60 17. It's a billet specialty wheel. Along with custom Willwood brakes, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around on it.
Okay. And then can we take a look at the interior?
Yeah, absolutely. Interior is still original from 1968. The only thing I changed were the odometer gauges in the center console to have more accuracy and precision, along with a retro, basically Bluetooth stereo.
Right.
So yeah,
cool.
not much interior work was done to this.
That is very, very cool. And is it finally done? Is it?
There's always something to do or cleaning up certain details, but for the most part, I'm happy with the car from where it is. So yeah, I would pretty much leave the car right where it is and how it stands right now.
There you go, there you go. What's the best thing that you like about this car?
It would definitely have to be the engine that was put together by Mario. As far as my combination that I wanted, just the sound of it and the camshaft, like I said, very healthy and sounds fabulous.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Any special exhaust?
Special exhaust, it's just 2.5-inch exhaust with an X pipe, along with electric cutouts and their Flowmaster mufflers.
Neat. And then let's take a look at that cowl on the hood.
Okay, absolutely.
So this, before you open that up, this is nice. And is it original to the car?
Yeah, these are original to the car, correct.
There you go.
Yeah, it is a true 68 small block Chevy SS car.
There you go. And then you think you're super dog, huh?
Yes. My son likes to call it Mighty Mouse.
Mighty Mouse,
because it's small and mighty.
Right,
it's not a big block Chevy, but yeah, there's definitely a lot of work that was done to this engine.
Cool. All right, so tell the viewers what they're looking at.
They're looking at a small block Chevy. It was a 350 that was stroked out to be a 383. And it's still a mechanical fuel pump system on there with a 4-barrel Holley carburetor, Willwood manual brakes, and again all the wiring and a lot of things were done by Mario. Again, a special shout out, like I said, coming up with a combination and try to keep it simple, clean, and easy to maintain. So that's why we ended up going with a combination of everything as far as being black.
Neat.
Years back I had cars that had a lot of polish on it, and it was always a lot of work and attention to detail to keep it clean.
Right. What car show are we at right now?
Right now we're at the Archer Avenue Car Show. So like I said, we've been doing this car show for quite a few years now. Every year it keeps on getting bigger and bigger, which is great. And like I said, I belong to this town and this area, so that's why it's always great to come and show support and show off hard work that people put in their vehicles.
Right. There you go. Cool. And then what about, you got a couple friends here
Yes.
And what kind of cars do they have with them?
Yeah, I have my cousin here, Joe Garcia. He's got the Ford Mustang over there convertible. I believe it's a 2009 3-valve. I also have my other friend Sal with his GT500. Making quite a bit of power, has aftermarket blower on it. Very beautiful car, nicely built and well done. And then I also have my other friend here, Javier, that has his S197, same thing, full bolt-on car. Really quick and, you know, absolutely attention getter.
Cool. There you go. There you go.
I also have my friends Victor Silva, Silva Towing as well. Part of Mario's Auto Repair, you know, group that was a car was built. It's a '62 Chevy Impala, small block Chevy with a 350 trans. Again, well built and very clean, solid car.
There you go. Do you belong to a car club?
No car club. Like I said, we kind of, you know, all pretty much get together at times and associate. But now at the moment, biggest deal is no real time for it, especially, you know, being with a family.
Right.
Not enough time.
Right. What's your favorite YouTube channel?
U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Do phenomenal work. I've been following you on YouTube for quite a bit. You've actually done a few interviews for quite a few of my other friends as well. Keep up the great work. I mean, we love your footage, and at times if we can't make a car show, it's like we're there. Appreciate it.
We are so happy and glad that you are looking at all our videos.
Can we hear how the car sounds?
Absolutely. Let me fire it up for you. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Car. Please enjoy your next video.
Thanks for watching.